Good morning, boys and girls. We are ready to talk about some shapes today. Today we are going to look at the cube. The cube that looks like a box or a dice or a block. So before we get started, I'm going to pull up a song for you.
I'm QB, the ice cube. I'm a cube, a 3D shape that's really cool. 6 sides, 8 points, and 12 edges and more. My height, width, and depth are equal, and I'm used all around the world by lots of people. I'm QB, the ice cube, and I'm cool. Other things have my shape, and I think that is great. Dice can have the shape of a cube. A box can have the shape of a cube. Blocks can have the shape of a cube. An ice cube can have the shape of a cube. I'm QB, the ice cube. I'm a cube, a 3D shape that's really cool. 6 sides, 8 points, and 12 edges and more. My height, width, and depth are equal, and I'm used all around the world by lots of people. I'm QB, the ice cube, and I'm cool. A block of cheese can have the shape of a cube. A tissue box can have the shape of a cube. A present can have the shape of a cube. A Rubik's Cube has the shape of a cube. I'm QB, the ice cube, and I'm cool.
Let's be friends. Place.
All right, boys and girls, so we're going to talk about cubes today. So on the front of your math page, this says cube, and the other side says not a cube. All right, is this a cube? No, we know this is a cylinder. It's shaped like a soda can, or think of a potato chip can. Not a cube. Is this a cube? No, we learned about these the other days. This is a sphere. It is shaped like a ball. Is this a cube? Yes. It looks like a box or an ice cube. It has flat sides, edges, corners. That is a cube. Is this one a cube? No, this is a cone. So we have a cube. Cylinder, sphere, and cone are not a cube. All right, let's turn our page over. Talk about some cubes. All right, when you put your finger up there by the red apple, you see the cube. It says, look at the cube. Circle the words that describe a cube. All right, this phrase says flat surface. This says curved surface. So think about our cube. Is it curved like a sphere? No, it has flat surfaces. So we're going to circle the words flat surface. All right, down here by the yellow sun, the directions say use a cube to count how many flat surfaces it has, then write the number. So I'm going to hold it while we count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flat surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write the number 6. It has 6 directions say identify the objects that are shaped like a cube. Put an X on them. All right, we are looking at looks like a toy shelf. So we're going to look at each shelf. Let's start at the top. All right, we've got a soccer ball, a game where you put the shapes into the different slots, and a drum. Which one of those is shaped like a cube? Yes, the little toy or game. This is something you all probably played with when you were little. All right, this is a sphere. This is a cylinder. All right, looking on the middle row, this looks like it might be one of those squishy pillows. Looks like an ice cream cone. And a box that has baseball on it. I don't know if there might be a baseball in there, or there may be some baseball cards in there. Which one is shaped like a cube? Yes, the box. This is a cone. This is a cylinder. Alright, on the bottom shelf there's a block. This looks like a tent. This looks like a watermelon. I don't know if it's a toy watermelon or a real watermelon. Which one is shaped like a cube? The block. This tent is shaped like a pyramid, and the watermelon is shaped kind of like a sphere. This one is. Alright, turn to the back, boys and girls. Put your finger on the red apple. By number 1, they have a riddle for you. I have 6 flat surfaces. What shape am I? Yes, the cube. We know a cone does not have 6 flat surfaces, but a cube does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, down here by the sunshine, by number 2, draw what you know about a real object shaped like a cube. So you can look around your house. Do you see something shaped like a cube? Do you have a block or a box? Maybe a tissue box? Maybe a toy or a game that is shaped like a cube? All right, so find something real in your house shaped like a cube and draw it on here. If you want to write what it is next to it, you can. You can write the word next to it. Not a whole sentence, just a word. Just label it. All right, boys and girls, if you have any questions about cubes, let me know.